Welcome. In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to generate a compliance matrix. A compliance matrix is used when you want to identify requirement statements such as comply, must, shall, and expect in a request for proposals document. Let's get started. From the Welcome page, click Start. In the Task menu, select Compliance Matrix and then click Next. Select a project from the Projects menu. Check the box next to the name of the document you want to analyze. Click Analyze. Excel will open with the results. The compliance words are red and in bold. If this tutorial was helpful, click here or subscribe to see more videos to learn how to use the Content Analytics platform in a quick and easy way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.